Judith said outside nice. I know, out here no cold. She not wearing no gloves. And she not zip up her because she said outside nice. So, I look outside. The ice.
The sun is out.
The ice. And she said outside nice. So, people, me tell her, say she gets sick, she dep on her own. Yeah, it's snow. I went Saturday night, it's snow. I get a lot of snow. So, me and my sister outside, I go on the road, go deal with business. And she said outside is nice. I can't catch no ice up, Mr. Judith. You know, melt. Over there, so with the ice. When you have them nice, clean ice there, so you play night. You're not forcing a dog shit, this so. Or nothing. Yeah, man, you started. You started. You sorry. You started. Girl, man, what's up? I'm pretty sitting, you know. So me and my sister outside, and she said she love when it snows. So see, it's all snowy, all white line. She love it when it snows. So she want to go all night, you know, like her.
No, I'm not gonna do it because you know reason.
She said she not play another snow because you don't know New York City where they only for dog them. If people walk them dog and shit up all about the place. So she can't play another one. But she love the snow.
Sorry. Alright, go on.
So, this is New York City. You have to turn the camera the other way. No, stop the video then. So this is New York City and it's snow, I think Saturday night. And me and my sister outside, you know, we're doing a little vlog while we're walking. As you can see, a lot of snow over there. They clean the street already, but they're not clean, they're not business about people.
They're not clear.
So you can find your own.
The walkway and the driveway.
So cute.
You could even see the baby. You see not even see the baby.
You see baby well warm in there, look we're still outside on the road. We're still outside, out and about.
Hey girl.
Me and Sissy go outside still.
What happened?
But there you have a few stuff for them. So
Call me back on Thursday.
you don't know.
No, I'm
Just stay tuned. We're gonna have some more epic video for drop. And make sure to like,
For real?
subscribe,
What happened?
and comment, okay?
No, I'm in New York. No, okay, my name is there, because remember.
Them nice though. Yeah, one of them also I want to get. So, very nice houses. Nice houses in my. Oh, Jada calling. So, yeah, more get one of them houses when I get rich, you know, people. So, I don't know enough to like up my channel and subscribe and watch out my video them. So, I can buy one of them houses soon, not true? Yeah. But just a walk and I run some errand. And instead of her drive, me give her a look at tour, you know. She's the tour guide and she's the visitor. Yes. I say you get to know places when you walk. You can't just take taxi. And when you take taxi you can move so fast you don't get to know now. So when you want now you can mark spot and know exactly where you are. See? Know exactly where you are go. Know exactly where you are go. Oh, I'm going to drop. The high slippery or fat. Very slippery, man. Yeah, girl. So I soon tune in back, okay, guys? So, guys, this is Malika baby. Well covered on snow. This is my baby covered on snow. Wait, my break glass, you know. You know, use that and I clean the snow off, right? Well, I turn the ice for me, you know. Yeah, and then I cramp up, Judy?
Buzz it, yeah.
And I think you can't buzz it now because the battery must dead. Me have to go use the key open it. I wish for me they put the key. Me and my baby. You know for me? Squeeze that so and take out the key. Can't come out. You have to squeeze it. I'm showing. Take it. Push in the hole. Push in the hole and turn it. Yeah, turn it. And you know, do them something, you know. That's how we out there, yeah. Oh, my, this sun. The guy's goodie over there to start up cold like how we should have used her and clean off car. And her hand them cool. You see her in her jacket? Her hand them in her jacket, go like she tough. Go like she a tough girl. But yeah, cool. If you just have her hand in her jacket to keep it warm, because she never wear in her gloves. Yeah. She said the car frozen. The whole car is frozen.
It is.
Tell mom to the car too, Anna.
Battery died. Tell her to remember to use my foot and give them.
Tawana said the whole car is frozen.
You know, say me take off over there, so.
That's why my hand freeze, because me use my hand to get off.
This time I take off way more compared to you.
Because you use your foot, girl.
Yeah, she did one sweep and almost the whole thing came off. Exactly.
So guys, we have no, what's to call it, with the shovel. So we're using our hand to get this snow off the car. And this little girl use her feet. She's showing her skill.
I'm flexible.
She's full of shit like crap. Well, she's flexible. Yeah, she said she's flexible. So that's my girlfriend over there helping me, giving me a hand to get rid of. No, we're not lesbian. We love men, not women. But that's my friend. Yeah, from way back when. Yeah, she giving me a hand to get the snow off my car. Yeah, that's what's going on right here. So Juliet, go and get help her and something catch her now. No, you can't use your foot on the car. You gotta scratch up the car. Well, you gotta dent the car with your heavy foot then.
I would never get a man.
She gotta use her heavy foot and dent the car, but she use her foot.
I use my feet and I put my feet right here and I just use my feet to scoop it off. It's not even touching your car.
No, but the heaviness are gonna jump. No, the way you gonna drop on my car, it a go dent.
When you drop on the car, think about me dropping, sliding, but like this.
Watch out, you see the heaviness what she do a while ago? She dropped down her foot on the bonnet type. On the wood part of the car and she dent it in, guess what got me? Take a cost her money.
No.
Okay, you too much.
You told her fast and tell about that.
You too much. I'm going to put the whole of your look for a while. It's easier so you put the another get crumpled. You can just lick out the whole of your for real.
Judith, no. What you that mad girl about? She can't drop.
I think you take it to your video. You know, you're not going to live for that. You're not going to viral for that.
No, don't follow her, yeah. Me say if Judith scratch my vehicle, me tell you. We're not going to hear the last side.
No.
Bitch. The ice gone on in her shoes. Yeah, that's what's going on. When the bumper, or whatever them call it, the wood part of the car, even though it scrape off the ice, it can't lift up because the car is frozen. The wood froze, so it cannot rise. The wood part of the bumper, or the bonnet, them call it the bonnet, frozen.
She love call hood now from the girl, so hood she just a fan hood. I say no girl.
Them don't know say hood it name.
I say no. Listen, the car up there to have a different name. It's not
Yeah,
hood.
we call it wood too.
You never know. Yeah, it's a bird for the
Never cool yet, so let's see she use her hand.
She like that. Don't really.
She says she not cool. She'll have her jacket front open. I may tell her if you lock up her jacket front, because I know when she gets sick. She said no, she not cool. And she walk with, she just have on one shirt underneath. Did it not do that, man? They broke the glass, because glass frozen. And you know, say glass expensive.
Come do it for yourself.
And that me I go do, because I know why you broke the glass.
And now I go break so easily. So over there, look over there, some material fall over this.
No, I mean, like when you beat the buckle on top of it, it broke. Don't you wanna? Because through the glass frozen.
Be honest with Lisa. Tell her to
No, talk it truth.
No, be honest.
Talk it truth to one.
Tell her
I
the
plastic backer.
Okay, but with Judith heavy hand when she clamp down. Eh? With her heavy hand when she clamp down.
You have too much.
Yeah, this is what I go on pan water go on. So when sometime when I see we are Jamaica and I see we come down and we have look fun and just make we have fun and I say, oh, we come at hype because guess what, we in the cold every day. So we come at Jamaica and the warm weather, we just want to enjoy. Not true?
The only thing I like.
When you come out sometime we have to throw hot water pan we car if you all open the door because guess what, the door frozen.
5 o'clock in the morning, I can't even leave to go home. I go back in on the club and boil water.
Did I cover my car with it like this?
Yeah.
She said BMW, no, she said BMW or Benz, she not sure.
No, she said BMW Benz.
Oh, a BMW Benz.
I'm sick, I never know which one.
That's why I never see one else. That's that movement.
What do you mean? You should have seen the car pass like yesterday. Honda and BMW.
Mark
They might
it.
have 4 BMW wheel, Honda in the front, and
It's an undercar with a BMW.
in the back. You don't think I made that up? Okay, look at this.
Oh, God. So we're here chit-chatting, waiting on somebody to help us to lift the hood because the hood not lifting. The hood is frozen. The bonnet is frozen. That's what we call the hood. The bonnet of the car is frozen, so we're waiting on someone to prime the hood so we could get it up to start the car.
Get the hood up.
Get up. As we finally get the hood open, and the car is not starting, so I guess everything is frozen inside, so I don't even know what's going on. It's not starting.
With this car here, right? I'm not getting any power inside the car. Not my truck. That's what, an Infinity, right?
Yes, an Infinity
Yeah,
QX60.
Infinity. I'm not getting any boom. No electric is coming on inside, no power. But when the horn go off, like the alarm, I do get power inside the car, but besides that, you open the door, no lights, nothing come on. No? Hmm. Yeah. Okay, I ain't got no tools.
So what you said, the alarm system locking the car?
Yeah.
Oh, so you see what I'm telling you, Tawana? You see, if the battery for the remote didn't die, then you could shut off the alarm system. So he said that's what locking the car from start, the alarm system.
It's like a safety guard.
Oh,
So the alarm go off, right, and it automatically deprogram the car. At least from what it's telling me. Take this.
that
take
makes
off one.
sense, because remember the last time we started, we had the button, could press it, and then it just shut off.
I'm not gonna say nothing about that. I was having a problem with my car for like a year with my alarm. And
And you ain't have no tools, right?
what happened